blame you for thinking that you never really knew me at all. I tried to deny you, but nothing ever made me feel so wrong. I thought I was protecting you from everything that I go through, but I know that we got lost along the way. Here I am with all my heart. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. I know I let you down, but I'm never gonna make that mistake again. You brought me closer to who I really am. So come take my hand. I want the world to see what you mean to me. What you mean to me.